Oh yeah, absolutely. So if I understand it correctly, it's more around the challenges of saying how do you scale what separate uh, domains already do so well, and how do you sort of like bring this centralized governance but still give some autonomy, kind of like
Yes,
balance that.
exactly, because our job from a central IT perspective is really to enable. I mean, we're trying to centralize to distribute, if that makes sense. So how do we centralize the minimum things we need to do to enable different teams and different factories to and different areas to work independently, while we keep this kind of um, required governance and central level, which makes things interoperable. So that is where we're trying to improve, and that's, for example, where knowledge graphs can can play a very important role. So we are actually currently in a transition period where we are moving a bit away from the traditional um, data information architecture and moving a bit more towards relying on knowledge graphs to actually bring that kind of contextual dimension and interconnection between the data, so that we can realize the potential that we see, basically.